Welcome to Ted's Dixie Sheds channel. Pole barns have been a staple of American farming for nearly a century. Their design is simple, strong, and affordable, built around wood trusses that span wide spaces with minimal materials. In the past, before heavy equipment was common, builders relied on teamwork, ladders, and scaffolding, hoisting each truss into place the old-fashioned way. Today, this crew is carrying on that tradition, showing just how barns were raised for generations. Though technology has advanced, these time-tested methods remain a testament to resourcefulness and grit. From farms of the past to modern homesteads, the wood truss pole barn continues to stand as a symbol of strength and practicality. Simple tools, hard work, lasting results. This is how barns were and still can be built. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe.